What's good, YouTube? It's your Pasadena pilot, Mr. Top Heavy, heading out to Studio City. That's sort of in the northern portion of LA to meet up with one of my buddies. He's got a drone. I believe it's a DJI Phantom Pro. And he wants to get some shots of the Hollywood sign. He was having some issues, wasn't sure if there was some airspace that we couldn't fly in. But we're gonna go test this out and then... Get the fuck over! Here we go. Fuck you. Alright, we're here, Studio City, gonna meet up with my boy. It's pretty overcast, so I don't know how good the footage is gonna be or if we'll even be able to take off. I think we will. We'll see how this thing goes. I'll try to film as much as I can. You should be able to go Google, can I fly my drone at the Hollywood sign, and there should be something that says yes or no. But everybody was like, oh, well, you know, you're close to Bob Hope and there's helipads nearby, so make sure you're under the 400 feet. And it's just like, well, is that a yes or is that a fucking no?
Well, first of all, look at the day. It's not a very nice day.
Right.
And this is the footage you want it to be, a nice sunny day. But what we are going to learn today is if we can actually just do it. So get out of the way. I'm just going to do it right here. Come on, keep it on. Come on, buddy. Come on, bozo. Thank you, Siri.
I really thought this was taking us to that place. I was like, well, that's what happens when you just type in Hollywood sign and you're like, to the gods.
But it literally, it had a big star and everything. I also think if we parked here and walked up, that would be a really good spot to do it. And it would take a lot less long. You guys want to try that instead? Okay.
What's up, guys? So we made it. We're going to try to take off from this area here in sort of Griffith Park. Hopefully everything goes well. All right. So you're going to hike or you're going to take off from here? And go
right here, man.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Sometimes I wish that I could reach up, touch the sky. And sometimes I wish I could spread my wings and start to fly. Eagles and doves soaring high above, so free and at ease. I wish it could be me. I wish it could be. I would be a jet pilot, jet pilot, jet pilot, jet pilot, be a jet pilot, jet pilot, jet pilot, jet pilot, be a jet pilot, jet pilot, jet pilot, jet pilot, jet pilot, jet pilot, be a jet pilot. I could scrape the sky and play among all of the clouds. Do flybys like Maverick and Goose, so very fast and loud. An F-16 with its enemy locked and loaded directly in its sights. I'd cruise to new heights with every new dogfight. I'd be alright. I'd be alright. I'd be set free.
So not close enough to the Hollywood sign, super far, so we'll see.
I've only pissed the bed once as an adult, and that was because I was super hammered and forgot to pee before I went to sleep. And I was at my mom's house, and I felt really bad. So I'm like, I'm pretty sure the cat pissed the bed. She's like, it smells like human pee. I'm like, I'm pretty sure the cat pissed.
And you're gonna see it, like right when you turn and you kind of go up Beechwood. This road goes straight at the Hollywood sign.
There's not like some little parking lot or something?
Yeah, there is somewhere.
All we need literally is just a little parking lot that's not on someone's private fucking property. Like, I say like right here?
Yeah, I mean, that's what I was thinking. That was pretty intense. I mean, it sounded like a recording.
I felt
Like it just alerts you, but at the same time, like you don't really want to push your luck. Couldn't shoot at the Hollywood sign. There was an alarm or some sort of siren that went off when my friend's drone got too close. And then there was what we think is a recording. I don't believe there's somebody up there that said it, but there was a recording that said, in essence, this is restricted airspace. You're not allowed to fly here. This is the LAPD. If you don't fly away from the Hollywood sign, you'll be arrested. So it was basically that. We didn't want to really push it. Probably could have flown around a couple more times. So I'm going to head back to Pasadena. Your boy Top Heavy is out.